Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into PayPal right away. Make sure your account is verified and you have your bank or card details at hand. Once signed in, navigate to Wallet. That's where balance is live. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step now, because PayPal will require it before you add funds. This initial sequence speeds the process and avoids interruptions, so have routing and account numbers or your card's CVV nearby before you proceed. Once done in Wallet, tap Add Money and pick your funding source. Choose bank transfer for low or no fee, or instant debit/credit for immediate balance but expect a small fee. Enter the exact amount you want to load, then review the fee and estimated arrival time carefully, because that affects your cash flow. Make sure the bank account or card matches the linked account name. Mismatches trigger declines. After you confirm, PayPal processes the request and shows finish by watching for the confirmation email and verifying the new PayPal balance on the wallet page. If you used Instant Top-Up, the balance updates immediately, whereas standard bank transfers take 1 to 3 business days. Make sure to refresh the app and clear cache if the balance doesn't show. If funds are held or the transfer failed, recheck account numbers, ensure the bank allows ACH debits, and then contact PayPal support with transaction ID. This single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.